what's the reality on the ground? Well, perhaps you can judge by the results of these two key by-elections, one in Rajasthan and one in Haryana. Now, what's the score? It's equally divided. The Congress, an important win for them in the Ramgarh Assembly seat in Alwar, because with this win, they've now at 100 total in the state assembly. But in Haryana, again, a major boost for ML Khattar, of the chief minister, because the BJP won here easily. The Chautalas, in the sense the INLD has been wiped out. The rebel candidate from after the family split didn't do badly, but the Congress came third.
A convincing win for the Congress in Alwar's Ramgarh and a sigh of relief for the party, which now has a simple majority in the House. 101 MLAs in a 200-member assembly.
तो कांग्रेस को 100 के नंबर पे ले आए हैं, तो नाउ वी हैव 50% मेजॉरिटी इन द असेंबली. ये काम मेरे थ्रू हुआ है, तो मुझे और ज़्यादा अधिक अच्छा लग रहा है.
For the BJP, which dropped Hindutva hardliner Gyandev Ahuja to field little-known Sukhwant Singh, it's clear the politics over cow vigilantism has not worked.
लोगों को अच्छा आदमी नहीं चाहिए, इनको सिर फोड़ने वाला और एक लोग चाहिए.
Jagat Singh may have polled just over 24,000 votes, but for the BJP and the Congress, the BSP's inroads into their vote bank is something they will have to look out for in the run-up to the Lok Sabha polls.
I think channels of communication are always open in politics. But we are not going to piggyback ride on BSP or SP.
With Safia Khan's win in Ramgarh, the Congress's gamble on Muslim candidates has paid off. In this election, they gave tickets to 15 Muslim candidates and 8 of them have won. In fact, Alwar was the laboratory for cow vigilantism and cow politics. But clearly, that polarization has not worked. And that is perhaps the biggest takeaway from this election. With cameraman Nandan Singh Rawat in Alwar, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.
Violence at the counting centre and allegations of EVM tampering in Jind. As the protesters grew in numbers, they were lathi charged.
बहुत सारी ईवीएम्स ऐसे थी जो बिल्कुल ब्लैंक पाई गई, उनके ऊपर कुछ नहीं लिखा था. बहुत सारी ईवीएम्स में कुल वोट पोल्ड और टोटल वोट जो बूथ पर हैं उनमें भारी त्रुटियां पाई गई.
ईवीएम के अंदर बहुत सारी कमियां और खामियां नजर आई हैं. उसको लेकर के हम सारे विषय जो है पार्टी के इंटरनल पार्टी पहले फैसला करेंगे और फिर मीडिया के लोगों को बुला करके उन्हें उजागर.
But hours later, there were celebrations, at least in the BJP, which won the Jind by-elections with over 50,000 votes. A victorious Haryana Chief Minister claimed the victory will translate into the party winning all 10 Lok Sabha seats and assembly elections later this year.
जिसमें हर चुनाव का आगे चुनाव के ऊपर कोई न कोई प्रभाव निश्चित रूप से होता है, इसमें से मैं विश्वासपूर्वक ये भी कह सकता हूं कि लोकसभा के चुनाव में कम से कम हरियाणा की जनता 10 की 10 लोकसभा सीटों पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिताएगी, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है.
While it was a stepping stone for the Congress, which fielded bigwigs like its national spokesperson, and for the warring Chautala clan, a litmus test for the next generation. It was a newcomer and son of Harichand Midha, a two-time INLD MLA, who won the seat for the BJP.
देखिए, मैंने जब मैं आया तो मैंने लगभग 15,000 वोटों से गई थी और लगभग आसपास ही हम लोग रहे और ये जींद की जनता का प्यार है.
A victory in the last bipolar ahead of the general elections doesn't just gauge the mood of the people, but it also is a big boost to the BJP given the current political scenario. In Jind, with Sanjay Kaushik, Snigdha Basu, NDTV.